Hi, welcome to Appreciated Learning Channel, the channel that educates, the channel that stimulates mind. And in today's topic, I'll be showing you guys how to incorporate CSS Sprite on your website. The real definition for CSS Sprite is to optimize your website performance. Another definition for CSS Sprite is also what? A collection of images put into a single file, right? And a web page with many images can take long time to load and generate multiple server requests. Okay, so ever wondered why your websites run slow? Well, one of the reasons could be you have many images loading on your website. Anytime a user refreshes your website or logs onto your website, images tend to load profoundly slow. To avoid images from loading slow or to enhance the speed of your website, then your best bet is to implement CSS Sprite. Let me give you guys a quick illustration. Let's say you have 9 images and you would prefer to put all 9 images together as one. So let's get a ball rolling by demonstrating how to implement CSS Sprite on our website. Actually saved 9 images. I saved 9 images. I'm a huge soccer fan. I'm a soccer player as well. So I saved 9 images and I made sure they all had equal size. So as you can see, the width right here is 255 pixels, and then the height is 185, right? Without wasting much time, let me just dive into the technical aspect of CSS Sprite, how we can actually incorporate it into our website. So I have this HTML CSS file right here, and actually I gave my containers separate colors. I had 3 containers. I gave them different colors. I'm going to go on it so you guys will see what I'm talking about. I'm going to have to start my local server. Very good. All right, so this is how my page looks like, right? My HTML. This is how my web page looks like right now. So this is how we will have to actually incorporate the CSS Sprite. I have 3 containers right here. I can choose to have it here, right? But I'm going to make sure I have it here, right? So for instance, let me just do something here. Hey, so you will see that on the purple page. Hey, it's all right. So now our CSS Sprite will be right in this container. Okay, so let me give it a list. Okay, first let me start off with my my styling, my CSS styling. So let me call it let me say Sprite pick, right? That's a class, so don't forget to add a dot. So let's say I would like to display inline block. This is the good thing about using VS Code. It's pretty much knows what you're trying to type, right? So my display, I displayed inline block, and my background, I like my background to be the image that I saved. So guys, as you can see, I have my image saved right here. So I have saved right here images, and my images, I have all the 9 images saved right here. This is it. All right, looking at it, it's different sizes. But on Photoshop, I made sure they all had equal sizes, 255 width and then 185 height. This is it, right? So I saved it as one file. So let me go back. Let me dive right back and close all this. All right, so I'm gonna close this. All right, boom. All right, so I have my background. So my background will be, let me say, okay, let me give it a color, for tutorial purpose, right? Let me give it a background just so we know what we're doing with background, URL. So our URL will be images / my images slash what, CSS Sprite.png. Okay, soccer CSS Sprite.png, right? Boom. And then we would like to have our width set to pretty much, let's say, the size of the of each image is like 255. So let's say maybe 257, right? 257 pixels, and then the height would be like, let's say 197, right? Okay, boom, that's it. So come in here to my third container. I would like to actually create my class. Yeah, let me see, li or div. Okay, let me just use an li class. Class will be the one I just created, sprite pick. Right, and I also like to have an ID of each of the soccer players that I had saved. So I would say C row. Right, I'll say C row, and I'm gonna copy all this 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have another pick, Aguero. I have another pick, Messi. Another pick as Mane. Another pick as Salah. I have another pick as Modric. And then another pick as Alisson. Another pick as let me see, let me take a look at it. I have 0, Modric, Messi, Mbappe. I have Mbappe. I have Robertson, Mbappe, and then I have Robertson. Boom. Okay. All right. Great. So I'll have to create my CSS ID for each of them, right? So I have 0. I'll like for, let me say, background. This time around, we don't need to actually repeat the images, right? Like I said, we have everything saved under this file, so I don't need to repeat the images. So in order for us to be able to actually refer to the actual player, which is Ronaldo, we will rather use the background position, which is really good. It's a really good thing to use. The background position, right? So I'm gonna actually copy this 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So here we have Messi, we have Aguero, we have Messi, we have Mane. Oh boy, he's so good. Salah, and then we have Modric, Ballon d'Or, Modric, and then we have Mbappe. Speedometer, very fast, Mbappe, and then we have Alisson, and then Robertson, champion left back. Whether you like it or not, I say so. Robertson, champion left back. All right, great. So we have everything is right. Let me double check. Make sure you double check. Yeah. Okay, all right. Save. So in order for you to be able to determine the position of your picture right here, right, there is this awesome website that is very helpful. Sprite Cow. It's very helpful. It's pretty much, it pretty much tells you the position of the pictures, which is so helpful, guys. Trust me. All right, so our first image was, let me see, Aguero. And guys, as you can see, this is so good. As you can see, it says minus 241 pixels. So the first one is for the x-axis, and then the second one is for the y-axis. So we're just going to copy it and then look for Aguero. Aguero. Background position for Aguero is pixel, boom, right? Let's make sure we have no repeat here. No repeat. Repeat. Okay, boom. Okay, so let me just use this as green. No repeat. Let's go on to the next player. Oh man, I love this website. Whoever did this website, man, big props to you, man. Good looking. So I'm gonna copy this also for C Ronaldo. Oh boy, this is so good. Oh no, that's Messi. So okay, all right, this is money right here. Boom. I'm going to Messi. Let me see, Modric. Luka Modric. You know what? I'm going to stop right here just for you guys to, just kind of, see what I'm doing. Let me just go on the, on my webpage and refresh it. Boom! There you go. And as you can see, I had the background as green. So once I'm done with all the images, I'm just gonna get rid of the background to, just to have everything aligned, everything, looking nice. Finish with positioning the images. So Messi is minus 871. Let me go on to the next one. Robertson. Yep, the champion left back. I said so. Robertson. Let's move on to the last one, which is Allison. Allison, what name should I even give this guy? Allison, the what? Hero? The lifesaver? Yeah, something like that. Because I remember doing the I think the round 16 of the UEFA Champions League. Liverpool against Napoli. He did saved. An awesome shot, which really saved the lives of Liverpool. It's really, helped them proceed to the next phase of the Champions League. All right, so that's pretty much it. Let's go on our website, refresh it. Boom, there you go. Look at this. This is so beautiful. This is what I like about CSS Sprite. Everything is aligned. Okay, let me get rid of the green background right here. I'm gonna just use transparent. Look at this. Awesome. All right. So now, finally, I'm gonna walk you guys through what I was talking about in the audit, right? The audit will pretty much give you tell you how well your website performed, right? So you can either press F12 to make sure everything is working as expected. So let's wait to get a result from the audit. Okay, and coming down here it says passed audit 15, and looking at number 5, number 5, yeah, number 5, efficiently encode images. So this part is supposed to be green, just like this. If it is red, then maybe you've done something wrong. So guys, this is pretty much it for my quick CSS Sprite video tutorial. Thank you for tuning in.